Guys, welcome to another video from CarAndTech. So in this video, I want to tell you why you need an iPad along with the Vivo X100 Pro. Because I've been using the Vivo X100 Pro for quite a while, and I believe the iPad is an absolute necessity along with the Vivo X100 Pro. I'll tell you why. Now, right now, the iPad 10 is coming around 28,000 rupees, guys, after the credit card offers. Now, you have to go with the iPad if you have a Vivo X100 Pro. Now, let me tell you why. What is the purpose of making this video? I don't want to make these unnecessary videos, guys, but this is, I think, is very important for you. Now, the Vivo X100 Pro is such a beautiful phone. It takes absolutely brilliant pictures. But when you see the pictures in the small screen of the Vivo X100 Pro, you cannot see the details of that picture, because that is how the sensor capability of the Vivo X100 Pro is. That the sensor is too damn good. Now you can see this is the gallery of the iPad. Now these are the pictures which I have taken with the Vivo X100 Pro. Now what happens is, when you zoom in, you can see the real colors of this image processor that Vivo X100 Pro has taken. Now look at, if I'm zooming on this guy, see, look at the details how the Vivo X100 Pro has captured. As we don't have AirDrop with the Vivo X100 Pro, we can use a software called this, AirDroid. Now AirDroid works the same principle. Now what it does is it connects your phone with another compatible device which runs on Wi-Fi. This is the most comfortable and versatile thing. You can transfer photos from the Vivo X100 Pro to the iPad. Now see, this is the same code which I'm using, which was given by Apple for charging the iPad. Now this is the braided cable which iPad gives. Now I am actually plugging in the SSD, the same Samsung SSD which I showed you, to the iPad. Now let me see how we can access the photos. Now here you go to File Manager, and from here you can actually go here and you can see on my iPad Samsung T5. So that is the SSD which I'm having. Now here, if we go, I have a lot of things stored in the SSD. Now I'm going to access Vivo X100 Pro here. Now you can see all the photos which I have taken in the Vivo X100 Pro. Now I'm going to show you a photo which I took. See, this photo was taken in Goa. Now you can see how the iPad acts as a big display for the pictures which you have taken. Now these are also the pictures which I have taken on the Vivo X100 Pro. Now just see, guys, the details. You cannot see these details on your phone because the phone display is very small, and even I'm doing the video editing in the iPad 10. So for the video editing, what I use is, so I use a software called CapCut. So this is my Vivo X100 Pro, guys. I actually use this phone, and this video is recorded in the iPad 10 Gen, and you can see we have more than 1,000 photos in my gallery. I need an iPad because this is a very small screen. So I would definitely suggest you to buy the iPad 10th Gen for viewing the photographs or the video which you have taken on the Vivo X100 Pro or the Vivo X100 Ultra, because this is such a beautiful device, and you can always get a better experience with your iPad and the Vivo X100 Pro. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.